Yo, bam. What's up? Hola, hola, hola. Hola, ¿cómo estás? What's up? What's up? What's up? How we doing? How we doing? How we doing, man? How are we doing? Josh, what up? Cosmos, what up? Trader 007, what's up? How we doing? Holy moly, chat. How are we doing today? Oh my goodness. Kay is in the building. What's up, Kay? How you doing? Rustam, the day is going good. We are nice and green on the day. Nice and green, you know. You know the deal. You know the deal. We nice and green, holy. You love to see it. Market sucks today. Yes, market does suck today. I can 100% get down with that. I can 100% get down with that. Holy moly. The market is actually trash. It's like it's actually trash, chat. I don't know. I don't know what you want. What else you want me to say on that? The market is actually trash. Garbo. Absolute garbo. But we'll see if there's any opportunities this afternoon. We shall see if we get the opportunity to take a trade. I don't know. I don't know, man. It ain't up to me. I don't make the rules. Did a little trade and just finished. I'm also green. Thanks to the market gods. Let's go. GG's. Love to hear it. Does Tradify pay out? Absolutely, they pay out. I've received lots of payouts from them. I know a lot of other people that have received payouts from them. They pay out quickly. They have never denied a payout too, chat. Just FYI. I mean, just we're on the topic. They've never denied a payout. Do with that what you will. Yeah, market PA right now is not the best, chat. It's not the best, bro. You got it, Junior. Kind of ranching on the way down, yeah. Yeah, today was one of those days where you just, man, you see money, bro, just take it. Put it in your pocket and take it. That's the type of day it was today. If you see money, take it. No need to try to hit home run trades. There wasn't really any opportunities to hit home run trades unless you were long, like pretty much straight out of the open. But that's really it. That's really it. But we will see if the market decides to give us any opportunities this afternoon or not. So far, I'm not seeing anything too exciting. I am favoring the longs, especially as we have come down to IB high here. Maybe we hold this as support and we catch a little bit of a balance up here. So I am favoring the long side a little bit, just given the sentiment of today. We were bullish on the day, surprisingly. So looking to see if maybe this holds and we catch a little bit of a long opportunity, but I'm not too sold on either direction at the moment. So we're just gonna be patient, wait and see what we get. Just be patient. Yes, Trevor pays out. No questions asked. They even restored and reset my funded account in a kind of gray area situation. Yes, 100%. They always will. Tradify will make it right with you. If there's something wrong on their end, and there's some technical error or something goes wrong that's on their side, they will make it right with you. And they also pay out. No, literally, like they've not had one denied payout. I think they're the only denied payout. I think I could be wrong on this, chat, but it was like a KYC issue on the other person's end, and I think that even got resolved. But they've never denied payouts from like rules being broken or anything. So you're in good hands with Tradify, baby. Holy moly, you are in good hands. Market is just chopping around here. Nothing exciting happening, chat. Nothing exciting happening right now. By the way, full disclosure, I'm the chair. No, you're not. Because I know the CEO. Holy. Holy. Straight chops, yes. Just a big chop fest. Big old chop fest, chat. Holy moly. There is just nothing happening. Nothing happening. I would love to see us hold and catch a bid, but I'm not too convinced, chat. I'm not too convinced. It is a Monday. Things can get kind of weird on Mondays. Things can get a little bit sketch. Especially late in the afternoon. It is only 1:35 Central, so we'll see if we get any like power hour moves. We could see some moves during power hour. So if we get an opportunity there, we might look to take something. But if you are nice and green on the day, you know, it's not a bad idea to just be like, yo, I'm nice and green. Maybe I should go outside and touch some grass. You know what I mean? That's not that could be a good idea. You know what I mean, chat? Or you decide to get off the screen and just go outside and touch some grass. That can always be a good idea. Especially if you are green on the day. Or touch concrete or anything except plastics. Yeah, that's true. It is true. Market playing seek and destroy impatient traders. That is 100% accurate. We are blessed to be able to trade props. You are 100% correct on that too. Blessed to be able to trade props. Props give you that low barrier to entry. Is absolutely one of the best opportunities in the market right now for traders wanting to get in. I mean, back in the day, bro, we didn't have props. We didn't have props that you could come in and spend a couple hundred and get a certain amount of drawdown and make money. You know what I mean? Like that didn't exist. Now it does exist, and it's creating actual millionaires. I mean, prop firms are creating millionaires, chat. Think about it. You're able to trade multiple prop firms, multiple accounts, and millionaires are being created from these places. Is it good to have a career with prop firms? No, probably not. You obviously you want to trade your personal account, but prop firms are out here making people rich. And I mean, and let me just clarify, trading is not a get rich quick scheme. It's not, but prop firms are speeding up the process for people to get rich. It's kind of wild. Kind of wild. Man, what an absolute chop fest. Holy. If there was no process, I wouldn't be able to do it. I traded before my own money, lost it all before I could learn. Oh yeah. See, that's where props come into play, man. That's where props come in to help teach you the skills that you need to learn as a trader to make it in a personal account. That's where everybody should be starting, is with prop firms, and then taking those payouts and putting them in personal accounts and learning the discipline and the emotions, the skill set while you're trading props, because it is such a low barrier to entry. It doesn't cost very much to get into the markets. I would rather lose, lose $300 on an evaluations instead of, you know, 5,000 or 10,000 in a personal account, right? Get in for a low cost of entry, learn the skill set, and then trade personal. That's the best way you could possibly do this. Market really is just chopping around here, man. There is nothing happening. We're trying to hold IB high here, though. We are trying to hold IB high. We'll see if the market can hold up here and then maybe catch a bid off IB high. But so far, I'm not too convinced yet. Not too convinced, chat. Riding a very expensive emotional roller coaster money. Yep, 100%. Mr. Bond, money's been crappy for me. Flat, better than red, 100%. There are, if you have a flat day and you're not red, you're not green, you're not anything, you just haven't taken anything, chat, that is a big W. Big W. There are tons of people who are red on the day who would love to just have not taken a trade and be absolutely flat. So flat is a position. Being flat on the day is a win. No matter how you look at it, no matter how you spin it, being flat on the day, being break even on the day is a huge, huge win, because there is somebody out there who is red on the day that would love to be break even today or flat and have not taken anything. So if you're at a, I mean, if you're at a point you're trading where you can be like, yo, this price action sucks and you're not going to take any trades and you're going to be flat because you don't want to risk your capital, you're at a good spot in your trading mentally. Mentally, you're in a good spot and headed in the right direction, because there's not a lot of traders that can actually do that. Being red with limits is good too. Yeah, 100%. 100%. Keep your red day small. That is a huge win. Long or short for 5-minute trade? I'm not convinced on either longs or shorts right now. I'm just waiting to see if the market wants to hold this. I'm not convinced on anything right now. So far, the market's kind of just slow grinding itself down. It's kind of a choppy move to the downside. Nothing much really going on. We are giving up IB high here. IB high is being given up right now. Might see a little bit of selling pressure come through here. If we can't hold above IB high, there could be selling pressure. Price needs to hold IB high for it to have any shot of catching a bid here. Fighting the revenge trade urge is huge at the beginning. 100%. Every single trader goes through that revenge trade era where they lose trades and want to get it back. I mean, every trader goes through it. There's not one single trader that has not ever revenge traded or gone through a season of their trading where that's all they did was revenge trade and try to get back their reds. But you get to a point where you're so tired of being slapped in the face by the market multiple times that you stop all those bad habits. Like literally you get slapped in the face so many times that eventually you get sick of it and you're tired. You don't want to do it anymore. And you're like, you know what? I'm not going to do this anymore. I'm going to stop revenge trading. I'm going to stop the bad habits because I'm tired of being slapped in the face. Every trader goes through it, man. Every trader goes through it. Market just selling. We are broken IB high here and we are selling down. I don't know if the market's going to be able to catch a bid here, chat. I don't know if the bid is going to be able to be caught. Redneck Trades in the building. What's up, dude? How you doing, man? Sick and tired of being sick and tired. Yo, that is facts. You stop or quit, 100%. 100%. Paul, what's up? How you doing? How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? Chat, what's the P&Ls on the day, baby? How we doing today? We green? Are we red? What's up? Talk to me. How's y'all's P&Ls today? Let's get a P&L check in the chat. P&L check in the chat. Holy, let's see what we got. Market just straight catching some selling pressure here. Doing good, looking at lines and things, loving the sideways shuffle. Yeah, this is, ugh, it's gross. Gross, 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 gross. Doing all right, about 18K for me. Holy, 18K. Green base hits today. You absolutely love to see it. One green trade, one red trade, break even. Nice. That's a win. That is a win. B is green. Holy, you love to see it. Full port. Don't full port anything, chat. Holy. Not the price action to be full porting, I'll tell you that much. Not the PA to be full porting, chat. Holy. It ain't it. Market is just kind of slow grinding itself to the downside. We did break IB high here, chat. IB high is broken. Came back below it. We'll see if the market wants to try to catch a bid back above and get us back above IB high. I don't know. I don't know if the market has it, but we'll see. Granny running the market. Yes, that is 100%. 100% accurate. Blame it on the granny, bro. Blame it on the granny. Can the market catch a bid and get back above IB high, chat? That is the question. If we can get back above IB high and hold it as support here, I think we have a shot at running this back up. But I think IB high is going to be a line in the sand. We have a shot at running this thing if we can get back above. But we really got to get it back above right here, right at 560. Get back above 560, hold above it. I think we run. Now, how far we run, I don't really want to say because, again, it's kind of just choppy action. But I think the market has an opportunity to catch a bid back above IB high if we can get up there. But right now, market's just kind of slow grinding its way, kind of chopping its way down. I mean, look at these wicks. Wicks are ugly. The wicks are ugly. Maybe a VWAP bounce. It could. If we get down there. Nasdaq is trying to get back above this IB high here. We'll see if it holds it. It's going to be interesting. This blue line is IB high, chat. So we'll see if we can get, if we get back above it and hold it, man. Yeah, looking a little heavy. Yeah, price did get kind of heavy. It's like a chop heavy. It's like a choppy, but it's heavy. It's choppy, but it's heavy. It's slow grinding. It's not. It's like, it's weird. It's weird. Not the PA, chat. Not the good PA. These bulls have no chill. They really don't. But we'll see if the bulls can actually step in and truly step in. So far, they haven't really been able to. They've tried, but every time sellers have slapped us straight back down, chat. Straight back down. Dwayne's in the building. What's good, Dwayne? How you doing? We're still trying to hold IB high. Dwayne, I'm good. I am good. So far, we're green on the day. Trying to see if buyers want to try to hold this and catch a bid. I don't know. Mario S is in the building. Holy, the OG himself. The OG himself is in the building. What's good? How you doing? Chat, do me a favor, but we got 51 people, 14 likes. Can we get some likes on the stream? How about that? Let's get some likes, dog. Let's get some likes on the stream, chat. We out here chilling, watching the market, looking for some opportunities if we get one. We are trading a live account today, so if we get some opportunities, we're going to take some trades. We're just looking to see if we can catch a bid here or if market's just going to stall out. But let's get some likes up on the stream, chat. You catch any fish this weekend? Yes, I caught 5 bass. They weren't exactly big. They were just shy of being, a keeper, but they were bass nonetheless. So we did catch some fish this weekend. It was a good time. All right, we're giving IB high back up here. IB high is being broken once again. That's what she said. Did she say that? Holy, it's unfortunate. That is unfortunate. You hate to see it. You just absolutely hate to see it. Just got home, decided to go hiking. Part of the Appalachian Trail was great. I haven't done that in a long time. Going to feel it tomorrow. You probably will be feeling it tomorrow, but it's going to be a great feeling. The soreness in the thighs and the glutes. It's going to give you going to help you keep the memories of hiking that trail. Are you located anywhere close to saltwater or freshwater fishing only? Freshwater. I am in the middle of, I cannot be further away from the ocean. I am in the middle of the country, like the absolute middle. It's kind of unfortunate because I wish I was closer to the ocean. I'd probably go. I'd definitely be doing some deep sea fishing if I was closer. But unfortunately, chat, I'm in the middle of the country. Wait, where's my? I just realized the thing to my mic is gone. Bro, I'm pretty sure my son just stole the. That's great. I'm pretty sure my son stole the thing off my mic here, chat. Oh, found it. There we go. Ismail's in the building. What's up? How you doing? Does look like a toy. Everything in here is a toy to him, dude. He gets into absolutely everything. He has no chill. I mean, it's just, he sees it, he's going for it. There is no stopping him. Green, you love to see it. JT, what's up? How you doing? Jesse Costa. I have no idea who that is, but I do love the keys. I got certified as a scuba diver in Key Largo. Come to Texas. What part of Texas? We are still giving up IB high, chat. We tried to get back above IB high here, and so far we're still unable to hold it. There's been no confirmation of us holding IB high. He's pretty much my competitor. Nice. Oh wait, Jet. Yeah, oh, I think I know who you're talking about. Corpus Christi. I've been there. Good place. Really pretty there. I'm pretty sure there's like a national, what is it? It's off Corpus Christi. It's like several miles off the shore though. I forget, maybe like 30 miles or something, but I'm pretty sure there's a really popular dive spot off Corpus Christi's shore. That's like 30 miles out or something. I forget how far it is, but I'm pretty sure it's off the coast of Corpus Christi. All right, Redneck, have a go, man. Barbara, I am green for the month. I told you I had roots in US, Joey. They come from Corpus Christi. Nice. I love Corpus Christi. It's a great place. $30 Mile Out Club. Maybe they go out to that dive spot. I don't know, but I've heard there's like a cool dive spot that's like 30 miles or so off that coast. I'd like to. I am honestly considering coming down to Corpus Christi to like visit and vacation. My wife and I, we usually go to Florida, like down to Pompano and like Fort Lauderdale area, things like that. But we've been there for the past like 3 years, 2 years actually. And so I am thinking of like different spots to go to. So we might come down to Corpus Christi eventually. Man, market really is just shopping here, chat. An absolute chop fest. Absolute chop fest. Okay, yeah, I know who you're talking about. Yeah, I know what Jesse you're saying. Mondays are always slow. They are. Yeah, Mondays are generally just kind of ass for the market. Every now and then you get a good Monday, but Generally, they're horrible. Not the best. Waiting on a trade on a Monday is like waiting for a cow to sing holy. Man, chat, holy, what are we doing? Market just going nowhere in a hurry. Patrick didn't take you when we went and visited the BDH. No, we just went driving around in his cars and we went to eat. Thankfully, up 1,500 on the day. Yo, GG's. You absolutely love to see it. 1,500 on a day like today is a huge win in itself. Massive win. Absolutely massive. Caught the move out early in the morning. Nice. Yeah, that was if you caught like kind of out of the open there, that was a good trade, a good long. Outside of that, like it's been very just bad. Like I mean, look at the wicks chat going up. I mean, yeah, it moved up, you know, quite a bit, but look at the wicks on this move. Like it is just horrible. Very, very bad. We might be going to VWAP chat. Might be going to VWAP. I heard good things about AMP Curious as well. You said live account earlier. Is that a funded prop account or your personal live account? It's my personal live. I trade a personal live account more so. All right, we are in Power Hour chat, so we'll see if we get some opportunities coming out of Power Hour here. It's 2 p.m. Central Time, 3 p.m. EST. So we'll see if we get any action here during Power Hour. Look to see if we'll take a trade. So far, I'm not too entirely convinced on anything. I'd like to see, at this point, I would like to see VWAP come get touched. If VWAP can get touched, maybe we get a reaction out of VWAP here, chat. Kind of what I'm thinking. Yeah, summer PA is generally pretty awkward. Not great. It's known for being pretty bad. Hopefully, as we get into, you know, more into the fall, we get some better PA. September is generally known for being red for the market chat. Generally known for being red, but we'll see. Do you set up an intraday trailing drawdown for yourself on your personal? Wait, hold on. Do you set up an intraday trailing drawdown for yourself on your personal and find account for better discipline? I don't understand what your last question is. Do you set up an intraday trailing drawdown for yourself on your personal? Oh, personal funded account for better discipline. No, no, I don't. No, I don't. Negative. Ain't no way, bruh. Ain't no way, chat. Intraday trailing drawdown on my personal live account, bro? No. Ain't no way I would do that. All right, does the market want to catch a bid here and get us back above IB high, chat? I don't know. The market's being very awkward right now. Very, very awkward. It's like the buyers want to catch a bid. They really do. You can just tell that buyers do want to catch a bid. I just don't know if they have it in them. Truthfully. Anytime they've tried, they just get smacked by sellers. Anytime they've tried. They got to get back above IB high, though. That's the thing. Got to get back above IB high. Otherwise, this is going to go either nowhere in a hurry or it's going to VWAP. Ever fish for salmon? I have not. I have not. Have no idea how, if they're hard or easier or what. Look for a trade around 520s. Yeah. See that? All right. Buyers trying to get back above IB high again, chat. Man. Trying to get back up there. Can they do it? Can buyers catch an absolute massive bid here? I do like the bid back above IB high. I'm probably gonna lock up my personal account, but I will take trades on. I just don't feel comfortable trading my personal live account in this action, to be honest with you. So we're gonna do it on paper, chat. I'm gonna take a trade on paper here. We're gonna do a buy order for 1 mini. this break above IB high, I do like it. So I'm going to attempt it on a paper account here. Break above IB high is pretty strong here, so we'll try to catch this momentum. Buyers really trying to run this thing too, so we'll see. See how this shapes up. So far, looking decent. Looking pretty decent. What is IB high? It's the first hour of the trading session, chat. IB high is first hour of the trading session. People generally treat it as like, it's called initial balance. Like people generally, you could treat it almost as like a opening range, like how people treat the 15-minute, you know. But it's more so, it's the first hour of the trading session, and it's called an initial balance. And so a lot of people will look for, you know, breakouts or continuations of the first hour, or they'll look for like failures of like those levels being tested. So like if IB high gets tested in like in this general area, right? This is IB high at 561. So they'll wait for, you know, a failure of this, whereas we've been above it and then we come back below it and get weak below and catch selling, right? Or they'll look for breakouts. Whereas here we had a breakout of IB high and we got continuation. So depends on like, you know, who's using the IB levels and what kind of strategy they have. There's tons of different strategies you can use with them. There is no one size fits all, but it's just the first hour of the trading session, the first hour high, first hour low. So far, buyers looking pretty good. I'm gonna continue to hold this. We're hovering around previous day close, chat. Maybe we get back above previous day close, go up and break this 572 area. I think we have a shot at running. I think we have a shot at running. So far, still rejecting up here at previous day's close. Really need to get back above it. Get back above previous day's close and get above these 73s. We're looking pretty good. But I also have to keep in mind too, like volume's really low. I can't really look to catch a home run trade. Maybe it would have been a good idea to go ahead and take it off at 70s. That was a good trade. Could have been a good idea to take it off, but we're gonna try to hold this thing. Gonna try to hold it, chat. Good afternoon, Win Luna. We're gonna get Luna on soon. Chat. I'm gonna have I'm gonna be bringing on some guest traders on the streams. Definitely gonna be doing it. Don't you worry your pretty little self. It's gonna happen. It is gonna happen. All right, come back down for a little retest of IB high here. Do I trade an AM session? Yes, I do. I won't be live tomorrow morning because I'll be on Tradeify TV tomorrow morning, chat. So if you're not on, if you haven't watched Tradeify TV, I will be on there tomorrow morning. And then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we'll be live on YouTube here in the morning session and in the afternoon, chat. All right, we might get out of this trade. That was a big reject. Big rejection there. Bang, we're out. We are out ski. Is this the holy moly? No. No, it's not the holy moly. It was worth a shot taking that long. I mean, we were above, catching a nice bit above IB high, but we did just, I mean, look at that selling. We just engulfed all of that, dude. All of that. That is the PA today, chat. Look at this, bro. We catch a bid back above IB high here, and then bang, just completely engulf all of it. Wild, chat. Wild. That was only on a paper account, chat. We're not trading my personal. We didn't take that trade on the personal funded account. I don't feel too confident in trading my cash account on this PA. If we get a good setup before the market close, I'll take it on my live account. I have my live account queued up and ready, but we're not taking anything on the live account just yet. Crappy PA today, yeah, it's very crappy. Look at these wicks. Let's just talk about it for a second, chat. Oops. Look at these. Look at these wicks like going up here onto the upside from this morning. Look at this. Look at these just horrible wicks on both ends, chat. I mean, it was just like a really shitty move from about 9:40 this morning, Central Time. Really shitty move. Like, granted, yeah, we were moving up, but man, like the move was so just like disgusting looking, you know? It was gross. Absolutely gross. Show the 5-minute ES chart. Wicks are terrible. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at the ES. Oh, Lee. Yeah, look at the ES chat. My goodness. Chat, look at this. My lord, look at the wicks. I mean, it's just disgusting, bro. There's wicks on all ends. Like, it's not been like we've been moving, like getting decent range moves, but it's been just a real disgusting looking. Real disgusting. Oops. All right, so once again, chat, giving up IB high here. Once again. Today's a no trade day for me. Sitting on your hands, you absolutely love to see it. It is a great day to sit on the hands for sure. There is no doubt about that one. Not a single doubt about it. There's a good chance that we just sit here and chop VWAP and IB high the rest of the day. There's a good chance. Also, chat, 40% off with Tradeify ends today. So if you have not used the discount for Tradeify, is 40% off. You get one per user. So if you haven't used it, you can use it. Code JM, 40% off. Then the market moves 300 points when everyone's asleep. Yeah, 100%. Market's gonna do all the moves, chat, when everybody's asleep and not paying attention. Like, we're all gonna go to sleep tonight, and the market's gonna move just absolutely massive. Maybe we just start trading the Asia session, chat. What do you think, huh? Maybe we just say screw the New York session, and we start trading the Asia session, huh? Asia and London. What do you guys think, bro? Maybe we just become nocturnal traders, chat. What do you think? I'm with it. I'm about it, chat. What do you think, bro? We all become nocturnal traders. Always peak at 6 p.m. Sometimes those pops are big. 100%. 100% though. Asia and London have been better. They have been. I mean, Asia and London's been not bad. Compared to today, yeah, I mean, probably get better moves during Asia and London than anything. And that's a fact, chat. Holy. Man, chat, I think we are going to just stall out here at IB high and in between IB high and VWAP, chat. I really don't think we're going to have anything. I could be tripping, but things look pretty choppy and sideways. The Stoic says, I'm game. Holy. We're going to be all nocturnal, baby. Forget trading during the day. We all train during the night. Golly. I'm kind of down for it, dude, honestly. I mean, I feel like, I don't know about you guys, but I feel like my brain can really start ticking at night. Like, I don't know if y'all are the same way, but some of my best ideas come at night. So maybe I should trade at night, dude. Maybe I can come up with like the most genius trade strategies, the genius trade ideas and everything, and just be an absolute gangster. You know what I mean? Maybe I could. I don't know. Because I'm telling you, bro, like there's times where I'll go to bed, chat, and my brain just will not shut off. Like the gears are moving, baby. The gears are moving, and they don't stop moving. I have to like force myself to go to sleep, bro. Some $1 million ideas I'm coming up with at night. So maybe I can come up with some like $1 million trade strategies at night. Ismail, I'm holding long unless we break below VWAP. I don't hate it. Just hate the consolidation that we're in. Hate the consolidation. Only 3 micros. I mean, at least your position size is small and you can kind of tolerate all this bullshit movement, you know? That helps. That helps a bunch. But I don't hate the longs, even though we kind of had this engulfing here and we sold through all this engulfing bullish movement. I don't necessarily hate the longs. I feel like they have an opportunity. If we can get back above, I've been saying this, we have to hold above IBI here. IBI is like the line in the sand, chat. It really is. Look at it. I mean, look how many times we've popped above it, sold back below, popped above it, sold back below. Like, this is the line in the sand, it feels like. Moro, I'm bullish on NQ. I'm with you. Trust me, I'm 100% with you. Chat, if you're not already subbed to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We're live absolutely every single day, Monday through Friday, trading the Nasdaq. Live cash account, live capital, my own funds. I trade it right here live in front of you. So if you're not subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button, bro. Tune in. Holy, what are you even doing if you're not subscribed? We do giveaways. Straight to funded giveaways, all the good stuff. Are you saying IV high? Sorry, new here. What do you mean IV? It's IB. IB high. It's called initial balance. First hour of the trading session. This big blue box I have right here, that is the first hour of the trading session. IB high is up here. IB low is down here, but this is, here, let me take that off. IB low, this dotted blue line, IB high, dotted blue line, levels of the first hour of the trading session. No, you're good, Giovanni. Welcome, bro. Hey, appreciate you being here. Appreciate you being here. All right, we're coming down to VWAP, chat. We'll see what happens. We'll see if we get a reaction down here at VWAP or if we decide to absolutely shred it to the upside. I mean, look at price, chat. If you watch just price, don't even look at the candles. Like, look at just price. Look how long it gets stuck on 0.25 movements, bro. I mean, it's just it is so bad. So bad. Outsiders, 1 hour FVG at the 23,505. You know, let's take a look for outsiders here. 1 hour. Let's take a look for outsiders. Look at the 1 hour FVG, chat. Now, keep in mind, bro. Hold on now. Hold on. Outsiders. We've already kind of tapped into the FVG there, and we held it. So does it necessarily have to come down any deeper inside there? Think about it. Or are you talking about here? If you're talking about there, we're already inside it right now, and we could hold it. If that's what you're talking about, then we could hold. Oh, wait, you said 505. Hold on. At 505, are you referring to here? Because we have a couple. We're in one right now, and we have a small one right there. So which one? I guess I don't know which one you're referring to. If you're referring to this like tiny one here, I mean, it could come down. Who knows? It could. But we are in this this big FVG right now. So we'll see if it holds. But to be honest, yeah, I'm not an ICT trader or really like big fair value guy trader. So I'm not too knowledgeable on them. So I'm not really the one to be like, oh yeah, we could do this, could do that. But they are there for sure. Then you got Friday's large one. Yeah. Friday's extremely large one. Extremely. Sellers are just being absolutely resilient, chat. I mean, buyers have tried and tried and tried, and they just cannot get through. They just can't get through. This will eventually dump before the bell. Good. 23,505, look down. Yeah, I mean, right here. 23,505. Are you talking about this small one here? I mean, that's right at 505-ish. We could come down there right now. I mean, we're in an interesting area because we're right in the middle of this FVG, and we're also testing VWAP, so we're kind of in a weird spot. But we could come down and test that for sure. We absolutely positively could. 540 to hold, or I am dead. Oof. Ismail needs 540 to hold. I need all of you guys to go put your money on the Nasdaq, empty out the bank accounts, put it all on Nasdaq, go long and make the Nasdaq rip up, chat. Let's do it. I'm with you guys, bro. Let's all go be market makers. Let's all go be market makers. Millions of cons long, please. Holy chat, do we got him? Fast way to get a divorce. That is true. Chat would probably, I mean, my wife probably divorced me. Holy, sell the house, sell everything, put it all long on the NQ, bro. Sell it all and go long. You'll love to see it. Live on the street, bro. Just live on the street. If I could go back in time and buy Bitcoin, chat, I would. If I could go back in time, I would legit sell everything. I would sell my house, all my vehicles. I would sell everything in my possession and put it literally all in Bitcoin. Every single bit of it. Put it all in. I'm all in. Put everything. I will live under a bridge and put it all into Bitcoin. Golly, bro. All right, we are coming down to VWAP chat. The VWAP ski is in play. Anyone looking for longs? Yes, I am in fact looking for longs. I'm looking for a reaction here at NQ to hold VWAP. I want to see a reaction here on NQ to hold VWAP chat. I'm guessing you don't trade ICT? No, I do not. I am not a big ICT trader. Like I use some of its concepts, but I don't really use them to like make trading decisions. You could say. I don't know. I have my own strategies that work for me. So I don't really use ICT that much. But that's not to say that I don't like pay attention to some of the concepts he has or some of the things like fair value gaps or like liquidity sweeps and things like that. Like I do pay attention to those sort of things. But I wouldn't necessarily say that I trade ICT. At the end of the day, most people take the same trades, no matter the strategy. Yeah. Sometimes. Sometimes. All right. Can the Nasdaq hold VWAP chat? Can she hold it? One thing I won't do is the I'm blind chart look. Yeah, don't ever do that. That is not recommended. Not holy. That is never recommended. My goodness. She better hold. Ismail, I'm rooting for you, bro. I'm rooting for you. I really am. I think you got it. I think you're going to get it, bro. I believe in you, Ismail. Chat, I need you guys to believe in Ismail, bro. I need you guys to do it. We do have MOCs coming out in 10 minutes too, chat. So I don't know. Does the market want to move a lot before MOCs is the question. I mean, if you think about it, probably not, right? The market probably didn't want to move a whole lot before MOCs. but it could. You never know. There could be some absolute whale come in and just go long on the Nas and send it straight up. And you don't want to be in a position at MOC. No. Yeah, trading MOC is a complete gamble. MOCs are a complete gamble. It is the most 50-50 that you could get. Because you truly don't know like what kind of imbalances there are. Or what kind of close orders are going to come out. It's brutal. This PA is brutal. This whole PA is brutal, chat. Holy moly, are y'all trading this? Let me know. Or are y'all sitting on the hands? Not even logged in? I would stay that way. Enrique is short from 23,592, chat. Enrique is short. From 592, looking pretty good, up about 40 points. MOC is coming out 8 minutes. Gonna turn on a paper account and just get the itch out of the way. That's the way to do it, man. When you know you shouldn't be trading, just turn on a paper account. Turn on the paper account. Ender zone market so nasty today, 100%. That is absolutely accurate. Enrique, don't feel like you have to hit a home run, bro. I mean, look at the price action. It's real shit. Don't be afraid to take money. Nobody ever complained about putting money in their pocket, and nobody ever went broke. All right, right back down to VWAP. Right back down to the VWAP. All right, we are pushing through. Pushing through VWAP here. Now, do we get a reaction, or are we going to absolutely sink through VWAP? Do we sink? Look at these wicks at 5:30. Chat, look at this, bro. Look at all these wicks on the 5 minute right here at 5:30. Golly. Golly, chat. At 530 is 50% of today's range too. Yeah, that's some brutal chop. I mean, look at wicks, dude. There's wicks on all sides of that too, bro. That's brutal. Absolutely brutal. Algos love anything 50%. Well, it is a fair balance, wouldn't you say? 50%. Balanced as all things should be. Chat, anybody know the movie? Can anybody know what I just quoted? Perfectly balanced as all things should be. Who knows it? Should we gamble MOC? Probably not. Probably not. If I had to guess. Thanos, Giovanni, hey, Thanos, that's it. That is it. I'm thinking about gambling in demo. You could do it in demo. Yeah, you could do it in demo. Avengers Thanos, that is correct, man. Holy. You guys know your Marvel. Snap the finger, bro. I'm about to buy. I'm gonna go find the gauntlet, dude. I'm gonna find it and just snap it. Just make everything disappear. No, not really. I wouldn't do that. Guess VWAP giving up so far. Yeah. So far, VWAP is giving up. It's unfortunate. I mean, this just this gross selling, bro. I mean, it's gross. It's hideous. Hideous. Tiffany, it's only a one-time use. Have you already used the 40% off at one point? If you did, then it would be 35% off instead of 40. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Getting some selling. Okay, I got you. Well, here, use this link then. Here. Use that link. And then it would be, hang on. Let's see. Code 1 year. So the number 1 and the word year. Try that. Use that link and then use code 1 year. The number 1 and then year. The pullbacks are crazy. Yes, they are. They 100% are. All right, MOCs, what's it going to be? Holy moly. Holy moly. MOCs are out, chat. Wiki. The wicks are wicking. I was hoping to see if we get a reaction on holding VWAP off that too. So far, not good. So far, it's not good. Can she hold VWAP again? She needs to do it here, man, but the selling pressure is absolutely just smoking us. Smoking us down. VWAP being completely ran through, chat. Completely ran through. We have about 8 minutes till market close. Enrique is still in the short. Holy. Shorts are absolutely paying on those MOCs. Seller still being resilient, trying to push us down here. Sellers are holding nothing back, chat. Holding absolutely nothing back. Oh my, what a little wick here. What a little wick. Are we going to get back above VWAP? Do we get back above VWAP? Oh my goodness, the MOCs are going crazy today. The MOCs are going absolutely crazy today. Can they get back above VWAP? My goodness. It's brutal out here. Of course, the trade works and you're out. That's how it usually goes. You get out of the trade and then it works. That's how it always happens. Nvidia selling off. Well, that'll fuel the Nasdaq for sure. And Nvidia sell off will definitely fuel the Nas to sell down. Chat, coming into the close here, we are selling off. Looks like the market's gonna sell off the rest of the open here. Maybe tries to catch a little bit of bid, but it's not looking too promising. So we're gonna go ahead and call it a day there, fam. If you're not already subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button for your boy. It's free way to support the channel. We're live every single day, so be sure to tune in, hit that subscribe button to catch a day live streams, fam. With that said, if you continue trading, you don't have much trading time left. But if you trade through London and Asia, good luck. Be patient. Don't do anything stupid, fam, and I will see you guys tomorrow.